January 22, 2025 is the date that Samsung will launch its next-gen Galaxy flagships. Next flagship series Galaxy S25, including Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Plus will follow the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That includes flat sides and the camera rings. Now leaked Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus live photos show a familiar design. Based on CADs, you'll notice that there are some things missing, like a SIM card slot, aluminum dummy units of all three models along with the precise dimensions. It looks like Samsung is continuing its minimalist design approach with the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, while the Ultra model is getting a major shift in design, rounded corners. And this is the bezel Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. We have photos of the card slot. Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus come in black, green, purple, blue, and white. Galaxy S25 Plus come in 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. We are expecting that the Galaxy S25 Plus will sport the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite and Exynos 2500 in some markets. That should be paired with 12GB of RAM and potentially 256GB of base storage this year, and runs on Android 15 with One UI 7. S25 Plus come a 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, a 10-megapixel front camera sensor for selfies. Galaxy S25 Plus will have a 4,900 mAh battery with 45W first charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.